Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's topic of discussion is dereferencing the pointer variable. So before moving forward, we'll just quickly see what is pointer. So a pointer is a variable that stores the memory address, and its syntax is data underscore type pointer ptr. And if we take an integer pointer, then this is integer a which stores value 10, and this integer pointer iptr is equals to address of a. That means it points to the address of a. Now if we want to access this value of variable a, so how can we access this? So first and basic way is to print the value of a directly by using the printf statement, and second is indirectly by using the pointer, where we can print the value of a by using this asterisk mark with pointer variable. And here this asterisk mark is different from the asterisk mark we have used in the declaration, where this asterisk mark is called as a indirection operator or dereferencing operator. And that's where the dereferencing comes in picture, where dereferencing means accessing the value of variable using pointers, and here we are accessing this value of variable a by using the pointer variable iptr and this indirection operator, where it is also, we can also call this indirection operator and iptr as value at the address iptr. Now we have seen the declaration as well as dereferencing, where we have used the asterisk mark in both the declaration and dereferencing. So this asterisk mark is used to inform the compiler that this iptr is a pointer variable, where this asterisk mark we call it as indirection operator or dereferencing operator, which is used to access the value of variable a, which we have used here. Now next is when we are declaring the pointer variable iptr, where the syntax is data underscore type pointer ptr. So whenever we are declaring this pointer variable, we are always writing this data underscore type. So we'll see why it is necessary to mention the data type while declaring the pointer variable. So for that, I have taken the 3 pointer. This pointer ptr1, pointer ptr2, and pointer ptr3 without any data type, and right side is the memory representation. So if this is a ptr1 is a pointer variable, that means it will store the address 2000. This ptr2, it will store the address 3000, and this ptr3, it will store the address 4000. Now if we'll dereference this variable pointer ptr1, pointer ptr2, and pointer ptr3, then how will the compiler know how many bytes of data it has to access? Because as these 3 are the pointer variable, it has stored the address of this initial address 2000, 3000, and 4000, but it doesn't know how to how many bytes of data it has to access. So for that, it is necessary to declare the data type, so that compiler will know how many bytes of data it has to access. So that's why first pointer variable I have taken as a character pointer. So now compiler knows that it has to access only 1 byte of data. So it will access only 1 byte of data. So at the time of the dereferencing of this pointer variable, it will print only this 1 byte of data. Now if next is integer pointer, so now compiler knows that it has to dereference the 4 byte of data. So this whole memory will be accessed. And third, if we assume this as 32-bit system. Now third is float pointer. So again compiler will know that it has to access the 4 byte of data. that's why it is necessary while declaring the pointer variable that it has some data type. Thank you guys.